Hi guys, and welcome to the third video of today, and we have the brand new iPad Air 5 in purple and the new blue. So this iPad Air 5 comes with an M1 chip, so it's much faster than the iPad Air 4, and it also has a couple of other things that I've completely forgotten off the top of my head, but if I remember them I'll tell you. Now let's get to unboxing. I was gonna buy this one for myself first, but then I opted for the iPad Pro instead, so purple was my first choice though. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I am a fan of this purple color. Honestly, it might not show it in the... try and put it up against a grey background, but if you can see it here, the purple does look quite nice. So right, let's turn this on. Screen size is essentially the same as well, so it's a 10.9 inch. Bezels are the same. It's just pretty much an addition of a new color. Okay, purple iPad setup. Screen 60 Hertz, unlike the 120 Hertz in the iPad Pro, so that was one of the reasons that I changed. Purple one's done. Now let's get to unboxing the brand new blue color. So I had the blue iPad Air 4, which I thought looked quite nice. Not many great colors in my opinion, but oh my god. But Apple have decided to introduce, I think, purple, a new shade of blue, and I want to say Starlight, but I'm pretty sure that was in iPad Air 4. Okay, first look at the blue iPad Air 5. Okay, the blue is definitely a different shade. It does pop more as well. I've got my iPad Air 4, so I'll show you that in comparison. But let me just give you a better look. Again, in the camera you might not be able to see it, but I do like this blue. It looks quite nice. So you've got your Touch ID, you've got 2 speakers at the top, 2 speakers at the bottom. I think the bottom ones are actually the speakers and the top 2 are something else. You've got iPad Air on the back, which is something they've added new. Okay, and let me get my previous iPad Air. So the right is the iPad Air 4 and this is the iPad Air 5. As you can see, there is a noticeable difference between both blues. This one is more lighter, whereas this one is more darker. Honestly, I prefer this one 100% more. It just shines more. Here's the blue and the purple. In case you wanted to have a look, I'll do a bit of a better video reel coming soon or after this, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the 3 iPads: iPad Air 4, blue iPad Air 5, and purple iPad Air 5. Now in the box, pretty standard, you just get your lightning cable and no plug, I believe, but that's pretty much it. Correction, you do get a plug, unlike the Apple products, iPhone products I mean, you don't get a plug there, but with the iPads you do.